so now it's we've reached trace or light trace. I'm gonna mix it some more once it's in the containers with the colors. So I don't want to get it too thick right now.
Do you want to show them what is mixed trace?
Well, yeah, I can
Demonstrate.
So basically, it's a little thicker. You can see how it's thicker running off of there. It's not like the oil, and you can. It's probably hard to pick up on the camera, but you can start to see trails in the actual batter.
Zoom in. There, zoom in. Okay.
You can start to see those trails there in the batter where it dripped. And it's just a super light trace right now because we're gonna mix it a little bit more once it's in the containers with the different micas. So now that'll be what we'll do. I'm gonna go ahead and start breaking it into the individual colors. And the way I do it is I just kind of put an equal amount in each one of these. And this is usually where I get really messy. Try not to, but I'm a guy.
Wait, as soon as I can start stirring.
That's okay.
So you're gonna start with three parts or 1 cup?
I'm gonna do 4.
Okay.
I'm gonna put one more in that other one. Yellow. And orange. Or orange, depending on where you're from in the country. Line them up, start topping them off here. Here, put that one in line, please. There you go. Go ahead and bring these back. I'll move these. It's easier than moving the camera. Can you see them? I'll see. Told you. It's gonna get messy. Hey, Charlie. Charlie.
What?
Hey. I'll just put the rest in white because that's okay if it's got a little bit more than the others. Okay, so now that they're well mixed with the sticks, the stir sticks. I'm gonna go ahead and just hit them with the stick blender. Now I kind of burp this, so when I put it down, I tilt it and kind of tap it, and that lets the air escape out of the holes here, so that way I'm not blowing bubbles in my soap here. And I should have started with white.
I know, that's what I was like thinking. You want to do it again?
No, that's okay. Because, hey,
Oh, you
it's
can.
not a big mistake. So one of the things that you have is you're going to want some water. You're going to want some water close by, because you can put this into the water and blend it clean.
More water?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
So we'll go ahead and do the white. Now we'll go ahead and do the orange. I don't need to wash this one off. The white's not going to make that much of a difference into the orange. Go ahead and put that into the purple, and I splashed a little bit of orange into my white, which
Good, then just stay in here.
it won't matter. Yeah, it just gets swallowed up by that white. Okay, so now it's the purple. Yeah, that's good.
There's a bubbles at the back. Is that okay?
Yep.